भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम शांति 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 ही। Namaskar my dear friends, this is video number 4 on Avadhuta Gita of Lord Dattatreya. This video starts with stanza number 38 of chapter number 3. ऐश्वर्यम् इच्छासि कथं न च ते धनानि। ऐश्वर्यम् इच्छसि कथं न च ते हि पत्नी। ऐश्वर्यम् इच्छसि कथं न च ते ममेति। ज्ञानामृतं समरसं गगनोपमोहम्। Why dost thou desire affluence? Thou hast no wealth. Why dost thou desire affluence? Thou hast no wife. Why dost thou desire affluence? Thou hast none who is thine own. I am the nectar of knowledge, homogeneous existence like the sky. Stanza number 39. लिंगा परपंचा जानुसी नाचा ते नामेचा। निर्लज्जा मनसम इदम चा विभति भिन्नम। निर्भेदा भेदा रहितम नाचेता नामेचा। जन्म ज्ञानामृतं समरसं गगनोपमोहम्. Birth in this universe of false appearances is neither thine nor mine. This shameless mind appears as differentiated. This devoid of difference and non-difference is neither mine nor thine. I am the nectar of knowledge, homogeneous existence like the sky, this, the self, mine, etc. The self is not personal. Stanza number 40. No vanu matrapi tehi virag rupam. No vanu matrapi tehi srag rupam. No vanu matrapi tehi sakam rupam. Jnanamritam samarsam gaganopmoham. Thou hast not the nature of non-attachment in the slightest, nor hast thou in the slightest the nature of attachment. Thou hast not even the slightest of the nature of desire. I am the nectar of knowledge, homogeneous existence like the sky. Stanza number 41. Dhyata nete hi hriday ne che samadhi. ध्यानम नेते ही हृदय ने बहि प्रदेश। ध्येयम न चेति हृदय ने ही वस्तु कालो। ज्ञानामृतमं समरसम गगनोपमोहम. In the mind there is neither the meditation nor the object of meditation. Thou hast no samadhi. There is no region outside thee, nor is there any substance or time. I am the nectar of knowledge, homogeneous existence like the sky. Meditator, etc. All these imply relativity and therefore do not exist in absolute consciousness. Stanza number 42. Yat sarabhutam akhilam kathim mayate. Ne tvam ne mene महतो ne गुरून शिष्य स्वच्छंद रूप सहजम परमार्थ तत्वम ज्ञानामृतम समरसम गगनोपमोहम. I have told thee all that is essential. There is neither thou nor anything for me or for a great one, nor is there any teacher or disciple. The supreme reality is natural and exists in its own way. I am the nectar of knowledge, homogeneous existence like the sky, great, etc. Not even the Not even he who has apprehension of supersensuous reality finds anything everlasting except the self-natural. It is what it is. Stanza number 43. कथमिहि परमार्थम ततो आनंद रूपम, कथमिहि परमार्थम नयुप आनंद रूपम, कथम इहि परमार्थम ज्ञान विज्ञान रूपम, यदि परमेहिकम वर्तते व्योम रूपम. If I, the supreme of the nature of sky, alone exist, how can there be here the supreme truth which is blissful reality? How can there be here the supreme truth which is not of the nature of bliss? And how can there be here the supreme truth of the nature of knowledge and intuition? How, etc. When God is spoken of as existing in the world, he is described as an object perceived by a subject who is different or at least distinct from God. Such a description of the divine self, however, is erroneous. Stanza number 44. दहन पवन हीनम विद्धि विज्ञान एक, मौनी जलम विहीनम विद्धि विज्ञान रूपम, समगमन विहीनम विद्धि विज्ञानम एकम, गगनीम विशालम विद्धि विज्ञानम एकम. Know the one who is consciousness and devoid of fire and air. Know the one of the nature of consciousness who is devoid of earth and water. Know the one of the nature of consciousness who is devoid of coming and going. Fire, etc. Earth, water, fire, air, and ether are constituents of relative existence. Stanza number 45. Ne shon rupam ne vishn rupam, ne shuddh rupam ne visuddh rupam, rupam virupam ne bhavami kinchita, savrup rupam paramarth tatvam. I am neither of the nature of the void nor of the nature of the non-void. I am neither of pure nature nor of impure nature. I am neither form nor formlessness. I am the supreme reality of the form of its own nature. Munch munch. Stanza number 46. Munch munch hi sansaram tyagam, munch hi sarvatha, त्याग्या त्याग विषम शुद्धम अमृतम सहजम ध्रुवम. Renounce the world in every way, renounce renunciation in every way, renounce the poison of renunciation and non-renunciation. The self is pure, immortal, natural, and immutable. Renounce, etc. The act of renunciation also belongs to relative life and therefore to ignorance. Chapter number 4. Stanza number 1. Na vahanam nayu visarjanam va puspani patrani katham bhavanti, ध्यानानि मंत्राणि कथम भवन्ति, समासमं च शिवा अर्चनम च. There is neither invitation nor casting off. How can there be flowers, leaves, meditations and recitations of sacred text? And how can there be worship of Shiva, which is identity and difference? Invitation, etc. In the beginning of ceremonial worship, one invites the deity with recitation of certain mantras or sacred text. At the end of the worship, certain other texts are recited which indicate the return of the deity to his divine realm. If any image has been used in the worship, it is then cast into water. Flowers, etc. These are parts of offering and worship. Identity, etc. In the first part of worship, the worshipper thinks of himself as identical with the deity. Later on, however, he considers himself different from him and goes through the details of external worship. स्टेंजा नंबर 2, न केवलम बंध मुक्तो न केवलम शुद्ध विशुद्ध मुक्त न केवलम योग वियोग मुक्त स वै मुक्तो गगनोपमोहम. The Absolute is not liberated from bondage and obstruction. The Absolute is not purified, cleansed, and released. The Absolute is not liberated by union or separation. I am indeed the free one like the sky, liberated, implying that the self was actually in bondage, which is not true. Union, etc., the highest state of spiritual experience in which one realizes oneself as the Absolute is sometimes loosely described as the union of the individual and the universal self, or as the separation of the soul from Prakriti or nature. Such statements are illogical. Stanza number 3. सज्जायते सर्व इदं हि तथ्यं सज्जायते सर्व इदं वितथ्यम् एवं विकल्पो मम नैव जातः स्वरूप निर्वाण मनामयोऽहम्. I have developed no false notion that all this reality comes into existence or that all this unreality comes into existence. I am free from disease. My form has been extinguished. All etc. that which we perceive, my etc. in the absolute realization, no form, physical or mental, remains. Stanza number 4. न साजनं चैव निर्जनं वा न चान्तरं वापि निरन्तरं वा अन्तर्विभिन्नं हि मे विभाति स्वरूप निर्वाण मनामयोऽहम्. Standless, divided, undivided, differentiated, none of these appear to me. I am free from disease, my form has been extinguished. अबोध बोधो मम नैव जातो बोध स्वरूपम मम नैव जातम निर्बोध बोधम च कथम वदामि स्वरूप निर्वाण मनामयोऽहम्. It has not happened that I, the ignorant one, have attained to knowledge, nor has it happened that I have become of the nature of knowledge. And how can I say that I have both ignorance and knowledge? I am free from disease, my form has been extinguished. Stanza number 6. न धर्म युक्तो न च पाप युक्तो न बंधन युक्तो न च मोक्ष युक्तः युक्तं तव युक्तं न च मे विभाति स्वरूप निर्वाण मनामयोऽहम्. If the self does not appear to me as virtuous or sinful, as bound or liberated, nor does it appear to me as united or separated, I am free from disease, my form has been extinguished. Stanza number 7. Paraparam va न च मे कदाचित् मध्यस्थं भावो हि न चरित्रं मित्रं हिताहितं चापि कथं वदामि स्वरूप निर्वाण मनामयोऽहम्. I have never had the high, low, or middle state. I have no friend or foe. How shall I speak of good and evil? I am free from disease. My form has been extinguished. Stanza number 8. No pasko nayumupas rupam necho nechopadesho neche me kriya che संवित स्वरूपम च कथम वदामि स्वरूप निर्वाण मनामयोऽहम्. I am not the worshipper or of the form of the worshipped. I have neither instruction nor practice. How shall I speak of myself who am of the nature of consciousness? I am free from disease, my form has been extinguished. Practice spiritual exercise. Stanza number 9. No व्यापकं व्यापयमि हास्ति कश्चित् न चालयं वापि निरालयं वा अशून्ये शून्यं च कथं वदामि स्वरूप निर्वाण मनामयोऽहम्. There is nothing here which pervades or is pervaded. There is no abode, nor is there the abodeless. How shall I speak of void and non-void? I am free from disease, my form has been extinguished. Void, the transcendental, has been spoken of as the void by the Buddhist. Stanza number 10. Ne grahako grahake kinchita ne karnyam vamam naiv karyam achint chintem cha katham vadami savrup nirvan manamayoham. There is no one to understand and nothing indeed to be understood. I have no cause and no effect. How shall I say that I am conceivable or inconceivable? I am free from disease. My form has been extinguished. Stanza number 11. Ne bhedkam vapi ne chaiv bhedam ne vedkam vamam ne vedam gadagatam tat katham vadami savrup nirvan manamayoham. There is nothing dividing, nothing to be divided. I have nothing to know with and nothing to be known. How shall I then speak of coming and going, my child? I am free from disease, my form has been extinguished. Coming, etc. Birth and death. Stanza number 12. Ne chasti deho ne che me videho buddhir mano mene hi chandriyani रागो विरागश्च कथम वदामि स्वरूप निर्वाण मनामयोऽहम्. I have no body or bodilessness, nor have I intelligence, mind and senses. How shall I speak of attachment and detachment? I am free from disease, my form has been extinguished. Stanza number 13. उल्लेख मात्रम नहि भिन्न मुच्चै रुल्लेख मात्रम नेत्रोहितं वै समासं मित्र कथम वदामि स्वरूप निर्वाण मनामयोऽहम्. The self is not separate or high, and it has not disappeared even to the extent of illusion. Friend, how can I speak of it as identical or different? I am free from disease, my form has been extinguished. Separate from Prakriti or nature, according to Sankhya philosophy. High beyond the relative world, disappeared, that is to say, when enveloped by Maya, identical with the individual self or nature. Stanza number 14. Jitendriyo aham vi jitendriyo va ne sayamo me niyamo ne jatah jaya jao mitram katham vadami savrup nirvan manamayo aham. Neither have I conquered the senses, nor have I not conquered them. Self-restraint or discipline never occurred to me. Friend, how shall I speak of victory and defeat? I am free from disease, my form has been extinguished. Stanza number 15. Amurat murtinam chame kadachida दन्ते मध्यम ने च मे कदाचित् बलाबलं मित्र कथम वदामि स्वरूप निर्वाण मनामयो अहम्. Never have I form or absence of form, never any beginning, middle or end. Friend, how shall I speak of strength and weakness? I am free from disease, my form has been extinguished. Stanza number 16. मृता मृतं वापि विषाविषं च सज्जायते तात नेमे कदाचित् अशुद्ध शुद्धं च कथं वदामि स्वरूप निर्माण मनामयोऽहम्. Never, my child, did I have death or deathlessness, poison or poisonlessness. How shall I speak of the pure and the impure? I am free from disease, my form has been extinguished. Poison, the poison of Maya or ignorance. Stanza number 17. स्वप्ने प्रबोधो न च योग मुद्रा नक्तं दिवा वापि न मे कदाचित् ऐतुर्यं तुर्यं च कथं वदामि स्वरूप निर्वाण मनामयोऽहम्. Never have I sleep or awakening, never do I practice concentration or hand posture. For me there is neither day nor night. How shall I speak of the transcendental and relative states? I am free from disease, my form has been extinguished. Hand posture practiced as part of ceremonial worship, mudra, etc. Stanza number 18. संविधि मा सर्वविसर्मुक्तं मया विमाया न च मे कदाचित् संध्या आदिकं क्रम कथं वदामि स्वरूप निर्वाण मनामयोऽहम्. Know me as free from the all and from the details composing the all. I have neither illusion nor freedom from illusion. How shall I speak of such rituals as morning and evening devotions? I am free from disease, my form has been extinguished. Stanza number 19. Samvidhi ma sarvsamadhi yuktam samvidhi ma laksya vilaks muktam yogam viyogam cha katham vadami savrup nirvan manamayoham. Know me as endowed with all concentration. Know me as free from any relative or ultimate aim. How shall I speak of union and separation? I am free from disease. My form has been extinguished. Stanza number 20. Murkho api na ham न च पंडितो अहम मौनम विमौनम न च मे कदाचित् तर्कम वितर्कम न च कथम वदामि स्वरूप निर्वाण मनामयो हम. I am neither ignorant nor learned. I observe neither silence nor absence of silence. How shall I speak of argument and counter argument? I am free from disease. My form has been extinguished. Stanza number 21. पिता च माता च कुलं न जातिर्जन्मादि मृत्युन् मे च कदाचित् स्नेहं विमोहं न च कथं वदामि स्वरूप निर्वाण मनामयोऽहम्. Never do I have father, mother, family, caste, birth and death. How shall I speak of affection and infatuation? I am free from disease. My form has been extinguished. Stanza number 22. अस्तं गतो नैव सदा अधीतो अहं तेजो वितेजो न च मे कदाचित् संध्या आदिकं क्रम कथं वदामि स्वरूप निर्वाण मनामयोऽहम्. Never do I disappear, I am ever manifest. Never do I have effulgence or absence of effulgence. How shall I speak of such rituals as morning and evening devotions? I am free from disease, my form has been extinguished. Stanza number 23. असंशयं विद्धि निराकुलं मां संशयं विद्धि निरन्तरं मां असंशयं विद्धि निरञ्जनं मां स्वरूप निर्वाण मनामयोऽहम्. Know me beyond all doubt to be boundless. Know me beyond all doubt to be undivided. Know me beyond all doubt to be stainless. I am free from disease. My form has been extinguished. Stanza number 24. ध्यानानि सर्वाणि प्रीतज्यन्ति शुभाशुभं करं प्रीतज्यन्ति त्यागामृतं तात पिबन्ति धीरा स्वरूप निर्माण मनामयोऽहम्. The wise, my child, give up all meditations. They give up all good and evil deeds and drink the nectar of renunciation. I am free from disease. My form has been extinguished. Stanza number 25. विन्दति विन्दति नहि नहि यत्र छन्दो लक्षणं नहि नहि तत्र समरसमग्रो भावित पूतः परलपति तत्वं ब्रह्मवधूत. There is verily no versification where one knows nothing, the Supreme and Free One, absorbed in the consciousness of the homogeneous being and pure of thought, prate less about the truth. Versification. Dattatreya has been speaking in verse, but in the transcendental, where there is neither knower or knowledge, no speech, certainly no versification is possible. Prateless. The transcendental reality cannot be adequately spoken of. Whatever Dattatreya has been saying about it can only be prattle. So I end this video here. Please like, comment and share the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks a lot. Namaskar my dear friends.